Welcome to Polkastarter. This is your in-depth guide explaining the exact process of how to participate in an IDO. Step 1. Discovery. Polkastarter is home to the most interesting, innovative, and high-potential projects in crypto. Stay tuned to the project pages on Polkastarter's website to check our upcoming project IDOs. Learn all you need to know about the product, the team, the roadmap, understand their business models better, and a lot more in between, making your IDO discovery process super easy. You should also follow our social channels to be notified about IDO announcements. Keep up with our Twitter and Telegram, subscribe to our newsletter, and check in regularly to our blog for more information. Step 2. Whitelisting. Once you've found a project you like, keep an eye out for their whitelisting announcement. Getting whitelisted means your address will be eligible to participate in the IDO. Users can apply to participate, and a bucket of applications is drawn in a lottery. There are 3 ways to become eligible for whitelisting. 1. Hold 𝗶𝗁𝘁 in your wallet for a minimum of 7 days. You must be holding at least 250 𝗶𝗁𝘁 on an Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain wallet to be eligible for a whitelist. And the more 𝗶𝗁𝘁 you own, the greater your chances of being whitelisted. 250, 500, 750, 3,000, 10,000, 30,000. For every 250 more you own, you get an additional chance. 2. Hold 𝗶𝗁𝘁 liquidity provider tokens on Uniswap or PancakeSwap for a minimum of 7 days. Liquidity provider tokens on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain convert to 𝗶𝗁𝘁 at a fixed rate. Every 2.5 𝗶𝗁𝘁 and every 12.5 BNB 𝗶𝗁𝘁 liquidity provider tokens convert to 250 𝗶𝗁𝘁, which is subject to change. The more liquidity provider tokens you own, your chances to get whitelisted increase. Stake 𝗶𝗁𝘁 on our new dashboard instead of keeping them in your wallet. This will grant instant access to whitelist eligibility, but locks your tokens for 7 days. Step 3. KYC. If you get whitelisted, congratulations! The next step is some quick KYC. KYC is completed to ensure the project launches fairly, with no bots involved, and to ensure compliance with regional regulation. Follow the instructions from the project and mark your calendar for the IDO. Step 4. IDO. Now for the fun part. Participate in the IDO. Start off by checking which network the IDO is on and make sure you have enough of the corresponding tokens to cover volatility and network fees. If you open the projects page, every project has an icon showing which network the sale is on. Some projects might have sales on multiple chains, so be sure to check which one you were whitelisted for exactly. All IDOs will occur only on the official Polkastarter website. Start by heading to polkastarter.com and choosing your IDO, if it is currently active. Select the relevant network and connect your wallet. Then click Join Sale and enter your ETH or BNB amount. Then click Join and confirm the transaction in your wallet. And now you can enjoy your new tokens. Head over to the allocation page updates to check your successful participation in the sale. Make sure to also follow the IDO project on social media to stay up to date with their development and continue supporting them along the way. And that's it. Easy. With Polkastarter, you get early access to the ideas of tomorrow. So, what are you waiting for?